Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are good and as well as the fine. And now we are going to discuss here about our whatever the we are taken here yesterday's concept. Once we recall yesterday's concept, what we are discussed here. Yes, now there is what we have discussed yesterday about the types of fabrics. About the what we have discussed here about the types of fibers and as well as the fabrics. And yesterday especially we divided our fibers into the what? Yes, our fibers to fabric. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, fiber to fabric. Okay, now fiber to fabric. In this lesson, already you know very well what is the fabric and what is the fiber. Okay, clear or not all the students? Which one is called the fabric? Which one is called the fiber? Okay, now fiber is the smallest unit in the fabric. Smallest particle in the fabric is only called what? Fiber. Okay, now. Yesterday we already discussed on what is the fiber. Fiber is actually, yes, that is the fiber is converted as what actually yarn. Yarn is converted into the what actually fabric. How it will be? Okay, now already yesterday we are discussed with experimentally also. Okay, now you know very well there is a simply there is a when you take here like this cloth. Okay, now from this cloth whatever the comes here like this, it is called what? Yarn. This yarn again contain the what actually when you are take a yarn here like this, when we are twist the yarn from this one, the small pieces will be there at the end. That is called what actually this one. Okay, now this one is only called what? A fiber. Okay, now this is only called what actually fiber. Got it or not? Yeah. One second here actually. Yeah. Once consider it is a cotton. Okay, now how it will become as a fabric once we are going now. Before going to that, which one is the called this one? Whatever this small components are there here, not it is in the form of a what it will be this one. This last corner things are there now. These are only called what actually? These are only called what this whatever the things this small things are called. It is only fiber. Okay, when once you collect all this fiber, you twist it. Okay, now clear or not all the students? Once you twist it, it will be coming in the form of what? Coming in the form of a yarn. Once take it here. Now this is the yarn. Okay, I am taken one more yarn also prepared. Once take it here. These two are called what? Yarn. Okay, these two are called yarn. And here like these yarns we are taken, like these yarns we are taken, and these yarns are connected in a what? In a horizontal and as well as a vertical manner. Horizontal and as well as in a vertical manner. Like this. These are what actually? Now these are what? This one is a fibers. There is a different things are there like this. These are what? Fibers. These all are fibers. When you are twisting, okay now, yes, this is a become what actually? This is a become as a one of the yarn it is. It is a become as a one of the yarn. Got it or not all the students? This is only the called yarns. These yarns are take as a what actually in this manner, vertical manner. Okay, clear or not all the students? The vertical manner and as well as the horizontal manner. One is a combined with another one. It is a formed as a fabric. Got it or not all the students? There is a yarn or nothing but it will be came from the fiber. Okay now? Yes, may it is a possible for you also in your home. There is a cotton will be available. Otherwise you take any of a unused cloth, once you divide it is into first yarn, then it is a dividing into fiber. Again you convert it is as a small fabric also. Clear or not all of you? Once you take a small cloth of piece and once you check it out by magnifying lens, that one small components are there, that components are divided from that our cloth. Once again you observe that all the yarns whatever coming from that whatever cloth piece, and in that one also somewhat divisions are there, that's in the form of a very small mode. That small mode is only called as a fiber. Got it or not? That small things are only called as a fiber. That fibers are mainly classified into two types. What is the two types? The fibers are classified into how many types? The fibers are classified into two types. One is the what actually? One is the natural fiber. One is taken as a natural fiber. Another one is taken as a artificial fiber. Another one is taken as a what actually? Artificial fiber. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, which one is called natural fiber? Which one is called artificial fiber? Yesterday also we are discussing. Which is called a natural fiber? Which is coming from the animals or plants. Okay, now, yes. That is only called what? Natural fibers, which are coming from the plants or animals. That is only called what? Natural fibers. Yesterday we already discussed it. Yes, the plants are nothing but from the flowers. Okay, clear or not all of you? From the stem, somewhat cellulose particles are there. That cellulose particles are produced as fibers in the form of a fibers. And animals. The hair of animal is work as a what actually our fiber. Clear or not all the students? And now come to artificial fiber. Some chemicals are converted as what actually fibers that are only called as a artificial fibers or synthetic fibers. Got it or not? There is a what? Some chemicals and some petrochemicals. Okay, now yes, and coal, coke, and as well as the camphor, these all the things may converted as what actually somewhat fibers. That fibers are called what? Artificial fiber. That fibers are called what? Artificial fibers. Got it or not all the students? Yes, and here in this synthetic or artificial fiber, the example for it is taken as what actually? The example for it is here what? Which one? Example for artificial fiber, yesterday we are already discussed. Type in your chat box immediately. There is a what? Polyester, nylon, acrylic, rayon. Okay, and as well as there is a what we are taken. These all are okay, now artificial fiber only. And somewhat combined fibers are also coming into the what? Artificial fiber only. Yes, they contain as a mixtures. Okay, clear or not all of you? Artificial fibers are made, is taken a mixture of a natural and artificial. Some part of natural, some part of artificial also. That is only called as artificial fibers. Okay, now especially as polyester, terylene, terry cotton, terry wool, and as well as acrylic, rayon, nylon. Okay, now yes, these all are polyester things only. These all are synthetic things only. Clear or not all the students? These all are artificial ones only. Why it will be called as artificial? That artificial is means that not come from natural things. Chemically, we only prepared that all the components whatever consider in that fiber. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, somewhat chemical substances like sulfuric acid, somewhat whatever the sodium hydroxides, and as well as the petrochemicals. Okay, now they all are used in this artificial fibers. That's why they called okay, synthetic fibers also. What it or not? There is a two things are there fibers. One is a natural, another one is the artificial. And the natural fibers are totally different from artificial fiber, and they contain their own properties. And as well as the artificial fibers are also contain a different properties. Okay, clear? Somewhat similar properties are also made there. Suppose you take a rayon and silk. The both are looks like the same, but they are what silk is prepared by which thing? Silk is prepared by the natural fibers. And rayon is prepared by which things? Rayon is prepared by the what actually? Rayon is prepared by the yes our whatever the wood pulp, and it will be added with somewhat. Wood pulp is added with the somewhat. Which one? Chemicals. That's why it is not called the natural fiber. Yes? Like that, the rayon is similar to the silk. Okay, clear or not all the students? But it is not a silk. Okay, what difference is there? What is the difference? This is a come from, silk is a come from silkworms or caterpillars. And the rayon is a come from somewhat chemicals. Like that. Okay, now. Yes, somewhat similarities are there, but they are not the same. Okay, what the similarities are there, what the properties are same, once we have to go to discuss now. Okay, clear or not all the students? What is the properties are, okay, now are there for the our different fibers. That is only once we have to go to discuss here. What is the page number? The page number is taken as 77. Page number is 77. Yes, the lesson is fabric. Fiber to fabric. Fiber to fabric. In this one, we are going with the what is the property or characteristics of our characteristics of our fibers we are taken here. What is the character we have to take here? Okay, now for our character, and as well as there is what how it is for natural fiber, how it for artificial fiber. It is for natural fiber. And the next it is taken for what? Artificial fiber. Clear or not all the students? What is the next artificial fiber? Yeah, first what is the property of the fabric we have taken here? There is a water absorbing nature. Okay, clear or not all the students? Water absorbing nature. We are taken the word water absorbing nature. Okay, now second one what we are taking here, time taken to dry. Time taken to dry. And third one, smell while burning. Smell while burning. Fourth one, result after burning. Result after burning. The next fifth one, yes, stretching capacity. And last one, smoothness. Here these are the properties are mainly we have to go to discuss about the what actually as characteristics of our natural fiber and as well as artificial fiber. Yes? All the students, once we have to go to check what is the nature of that fibers once. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah, there is, I am taken, there is about, these are the different types of whatever the fabrics we are taking. Yes, this is the one type of okay na, yes, fiber. This is another type of a fiber. Okay na, this is another type of fiber. This is another type of fiber. This is another type of fiber. Which one is the natural here? You know very well. These three are made by the natural things. It is the cotton. It is the what actually. Yes, there is. It is also our natural fiber only. It is also made by the natural fiber only. Clear or not all the students? There is a what here? We are told here it is made by the jute. Here it is made by the cotton. It is made by the cotton. It may not be, may not. It is two things are what actually not the fibers which are not made by the our natural things. I hope it is, may not. It is. One check it here. Yes, how these are absorb the water or not. That is only first we have to take here. Okay, now we observe that is the water or not once. Yeah, one check it here. I am taking the water here. Okay, now these are first thing is our water absorbing nature. It will be there or not. Okay, now once we have to check here. Yeah, first what we have to take here. I am taking the first one is it is a jute. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes. Yeah. Once I am dip it is. It is absorb the water. It is absorb the water. Not that much. It is not absorb the water. One check it here. Okay, clear or not all of you? If it is absorb. Okay, now yes. Observe or not? It's somewhat. It is absorb the water. Yeah, it is absorb the water here. Okay, and once come to here, this is okay now. May we are taken it is. It is absorb the water or not? Yeah, yeah. When we are Yeah, it will be absorb the water. It is a what? It absorb the water. Why? Because it is absorbed. That's why only when we are press it, automatically comes the water. That's why it is a what? Yes, it is a one type of a fire. Once you take this is absorb the water or not? Yeah, it is also absorb some amount of water. Okay, clear or not all of you? Like this, it is absorb some amount of water. Not here. Suppose you take this. Okay, this is absorb the water or not? Once take it here. Okay, clear or not all the students? Not that much of water may not come from here. That's why it is may not absorb the water. One shake the socks. Okay, now this is the socks. Okay, one shake it here. It is absorb the water? No, it is not absorb the water. Clear or not all the students? Once shake it here, it not absorb the water now. When we dip in the water, it will be comes out. The water is may comes out little bit amount only absorbed by it. Okay, clear or not all of you? But when you take here our these are the remaining three things. Okay, suppose I am taken directly the cotton only. One shake it here, how it is absorb the water? It is absorb the other amount of water or not? It is absorb the water. Already I have drawn the table, that is the page number. Yes, at where it is at 77, table 2 it is, not table 1. Okay now? Yes, it is absorb the water. What you observed here? It is a cotton, it is absorb the water. That's why there is a natural fibers. Are what? Natural fibers are what here? Natural fibers are absorb the water. And when you go for artificial fiber, the not all absorb the water, somewhat also absorb the water. Yesterday also we have discussed. This is the first concept. Next, time taken to dry. Okay, clear not all of you? It will be taken time to dry. Okay, it will be taken a more time to dry or not? You know very well. It will be taken a more time to dry, and once you check it here, it will be dry. You know very well. It will be take the more time to dry it is. Got it or not? It is a more time to take the dry. But when you take here, our artificial fibers are less time taken to dry. Okay, why? Because it is not absorb that much of water. That's why easily they dry. Okay, clear not all of you? Yes, long time it will be taken. It will be taken the what? Less time. Okay, clear not all the students? And next come to here. Yesterday also we are taking here about this burning test. Yes, what the burning sensation when you take here it is. Okay now, yes. Like that when you take here burning. Okay, now of these things, how it will be good for us? What changes are there in the burning? Got it or not? Yeah, there is a what? A smell while burning. What the smell may get because of the burning. Once you have to go to check it here, there is a different things. Okay, now the smell may not get you, but myself I am seeing the smell. Once check it here. Yeah, this is a called what actually? This is a called which fiber? This is a called natural fiber only. Once you check it is okay now when it is a burn, at that time the smell, I got a smell like a paper. When we are burn the paper, at that time whatever the smell will be get, the same smell will be there. And as well as what is the remain, once check it here, there is after the burning, just there is a what is the remain, like a paper. When you burn the paper, how it will be, yes, burns, okay, now like that the remaining things are also, yes. When I get the smell like a what, when will be paper is a burn, so same smell we get for us, okay. Now after burning there is only ash will be remained inside it, okay. Once check it here, what is the remain here, there is a simply in this one ash will be only remain here. Got it or not, all the students? Yes, this is only about what actually burning test of any fiber which is coming naturally. It is a natural fiber only, and you know very well about this. And the next come to here, okay, now jute, yes, like this. When you burn it is, one check it here, it is a burn, but what is the remaining this, it is looks like a paper or not. When you burn the paper, yes, the same thing, okay. But once check it here at a corner, what will be remain, yes, ash is a what actually. Once check it here, simply it will be ash, it is remained as a ash, like a paper, okay. Clear or not, all the students? Why? Because the paper is also came from where, paper is also came from wood only. That's why it is remained as a just what actually, one check it here, what it is, ash will be remained, okay. Clear or not, all the students? What is the remain? This it is a bone like a paper, and the remaining whatever the result after burning, it will be remained as a one, yes, ash will be remained inside it, ash will be only remained inside it after the burning, okay. Like a what, like one small paper, okay. Here when the paper is a burn, okay, now same as like that it will be burn also like that, the same it will be, okay. Whatever the remaining at here, the same in that manner, okay. Now this once check, compare the two things. Once compare these two things, both are same or not? Both are looks the same here, like a paper it is. Understood or not, all the students? And now when you take here cotton piece, whatever we have taken, this is a cotton piece, now it will be also like that only. Yeah, one check it here, it will be also like a paper or not? It will be also like a paper only, okay. Once check it here, it's like a paper, looks like a paper or not? Like a paper only, yes. And when you take now, there is a what, these are the what, natural fibers. Now we are take it is artificial fibers, okay. Once check it here, it will be like a paper, not it will be like a paper. Once check it here, okay. Once check here, it will be like a paper, no, okay. Like here what will be get, okay, from something it will be, okay. Whatever the file it will be comes like here, okay. Now yes, somewhat it is not like a paper, okay. Got it or not, all the students? Once check it here, how it will be, Okay, not look like a paper na. Somewhat melted things are get for us, and the smell is also, yes, pigment cell will be get, pigment cell smell will be get from it. Okay, like that there is a what here, yes, what will be get for us, pigment smell. Okay, got it or not? Like that it is. And now when you check it here, our socks, it will be also made by which thing? It will be also made by, it will be like a paper, it will be not like a paper, it will be like a plastic. How the plastic is a burned at that time, whatever the changes are coming, okay, now the same changes are coming like that only. Okay, clear or not all the students? It will be same plastic. When there is a plastic is okay now, yes, burn at that time it will becomes okay, like that it will becomes. Okay, clear or not all the students? One second here. Okay, yes, and bad smell when we are burn the plastic, like that smell will be get for us. Okay now, yes, one second here. Whatever this corner is a looks what, the looks it is a like a plastic it is. Clear or not all the students? It will be looks like a plastic. Okay, clear? Yes, yeah, this is only the nature of what actually, this is only the nature of, sorry, yeah, this is only the nature of what, a burning test when we are taking it. Yes, when you take a natural fibers, they burn like what actually, smell is what like when we are burn the paper, and like the smell will be good for us. Here there is a what, the smell is coming further artificial fiber, like when we are burn the plastic. Okay now, yes, at that time whatever the smell will be get for us, the same smell will be get for us. Yes, very, yes, pigment, whatever the smell, that will be pigment smell, very harsh smell may get for us. Okay, and as well as there is after the burning, here the smash will be get, ash will be get here, not like ash, there is a whatever the plastic when we burn like that, there is a liquid. Okay, now they melted, not all the things are melted, things are get for us, for what, for artificial fiber. And come to here, stretching capacity. When we stretch it here, okay, there is a low stretching capacity is there. When you take here like this, there is a whatever the cotton things we are take here, when you stretch here, okay now, automatically they become break down. When you stretch like that, here it will be breaks easily. But when you take here our whatever the things you have taken from artificial fiber may not stretch like that, it will be contain the what, high stretching power. When you take like this, it will be not teared. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, it will be take like that also, it is not teared. But when we take our cotton cloth, automatically it is easily, okay, when you stretch it is, okay now, it is easily, yes, like that it is teared. Clear or not all the students? In this mode there is what we consider about the stretching capacity and smoothness. Whatever our natural fibers you not take, it is may not contain that much of smoothness here. Okay, except silk, they not contain a smooth, but our artificial contains a what, smooth. Okay, this is the artificial only. It looks smooth or not, it is a smooth. But the state is a cotton, it will be not look smooth, it is. Like that only, you check once whatever the natural fibers and whatever the artificial fiber characteristics. Okay, it's a very important. From the characteristics, we conclude what is the artificial fiber and what is the natural fiber. Which one is artificial, which one is the natural. I hope you understood. There is the natural fibers are contain the characteristics of water absorbing, and they taken to dry long time, and as well as the while burning. Okay, now while burning, it will be takes about actually while burning, it will be looks like a paper, okay na, and after the burning ash like things are may come from it, and as well as the stretching capacity is low for it, and as well as there is a whatever the smoothness, that much of not smooth it is. When you come to artificial fiber, the observing the water, okay na, low observing nature it will be there for the artificial fiber, not this much. Okay, clear or not all of you? And it will be taken less time to dry, and there is a while the burning there is a pigment smell will be get for us, and here there is a what will be get for us result of the burning, there is a what will be get from that result of burning. Okay, now there is a what melted things may come for it here. Yes, here there is a ash things comes, stretching capacity the high for it, and as well as the smoothness is also high for it. Which one? For the artificial fiber. This is only about the total, okay, now concept of our characteristics of natural fibers and artificial fiber. Okay, now then we are going to discuss, yes, and tomorrow's class what is the cotton, how we collected the cotton from the plant, and how we converted that cotton into the yarn, how it is converted into the fabric. Once we have to go to discuss about tomorrow what is the cotton and how to convert it is from fiber to fabric. Okay, this is only today's class. All the students, the homework for you, you have to write individually what is the characteristics of natural fiber and as well as artificial fibers. Okay, thank you students, bye, take care.